another cauldron. I'm going to mix some Elmer's glue and some shaving cream. I'm just gonna like eyeball everything. Time for the shaving cream. My dog got scared. My dog's right here, by the way. He's just chilling. He's looking at me. Hey, baby. Time for the contact solution, which activates the actual slime. I totally forgot my dry ingredients in my other cauldron. Time to mix that up now. It's coming together. Sorry guys, my dog really wants to show himself in front of the camera. I'm picking orange food coloring. I'm gonna do more of the orange. Oh, that's a lot. I think I did too much. I'm going to put some black sprinkles on it. Ta-da! I feel like every time I say ta-da, I find like a naked spot on it. Ta-da! See, I found one. For my topper today, I chose Kuromi, the Princess of Halloween. I'm gonna put her in here. And that's my slime, guys. I hope you enjoyed me making slime. Bye!